how you can delete your temporary file method to simply go to here settings, and you can see here system, go to system. Okay, you can see here storage option, so you can see your temporary file. You can click here and you can, after that you can scan, and okay, you can see this option and you can delete it. Okay, it is scanning, so it is taking. So you can see here the option, you can see storage sense automatically free up space, delete temporary file, and manage locally available cloud content. Simply put it on so that you can see this system will automatically delete your temporary file. So as you can see, this I have put it on, so my lots of temporary file are automatically deleted. So you can try. Okay, so it is still loading, so I think I have lots of temporary file. I will delete it soon later. So that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. See you soon next video.